Molo mama sikwamkele enkqubeni. Cela usichazele uba ungumama ubani and also what is your involvement within United Brothers?
Okay. Molo mntanam.
Molo ma.
Molweni nababukeli. Ndingumama uPhila Pamela Siphamla, inkosikazi yasemaXhobini. Ndikwangumphathi ka-Phytomet Herbal Supplements. Ikhampani esayiqala ngo-2006 singenanto, kodwa ke namhlanje silapha. Nathi siyakwazi ukunceda abanye abantu kuba nathi sanceda. Ikhampani le esancedwa ngumzali wam, umama wam ongasekhoyo, ukukwazi ukuyiphakamisa singenamali, singazange sancedwa thina ngurhulumente wethu. Isifundisile ke loo nto into yoba umntu nawuphi na funeka afunde ukwazi uziphakamisa azenzele.
Lovely stuff, my mom. And also let us get to talk about Lenginginya Ite United Brothers yasibizela yona, because we know that as much as bezidlala golf, but the reason behind uba kudlalwa golf was to do fundraising for their cricket club. Let us get to talk about a project ezinjena having to be within a community zethu and also assisting ulutsha olusakhulayo so that they don't get to be redirected from endleleni but to be directed so that bangaluzi focus and also for them to have financial support as well.
Bendigqiba kutsho ke apha ndisithi uPhytomet siye sajonga into yoba singafuni thina sodwa ukunyuka ngokokuhlala, that is the lifestyle. Sikwazi ukuthi sawuzibona uba sisendaweni sihambe siyotsala abanye abantu ezantsi sibadevelophe. Siye sathatha elithuba ke saqonda uba masizenze iphathi yabantwana abasakhulayo. Ngokubona ububi obenzekayo pha ngaphandle, abantwana bethu batya drugs. So siyavuya xa kukho abantwana abazimiselayo into yoba hayi thina sizawudlala isport. So sibasapota ngentliziyo yethu yonke. Abanamali ke ngoba lo msebenzi bawenzileyo apha namhlanje bafuna ukufundraiser, ukuzama ukuba nemali abantwana xa beyodlala batye, abantwana basele bangadlali belambile, ngoba akakho umuntu ongayazi into bakwenzeka ntoni na kwiilokishi zethu. Akukho mali, imisebenzi ayisekho, i-employment ayikho South Africa. So kwa abazali babantwana bayasokola. Ifune ke ngoku xa sizi-companies zabantu abamnyama singasuke sivuyele ukubukela, kodwa sihambe siyowudivelopha nathi sincedise kwelo candelo. Sinale cricket club ke ngoku siye sazifaka kuyo, saqonda uba noba yintoni esinayo masibuyisele ebantwini. Bekuzowufundraiswa ke apha kule golf, ibimnandi, and sibonile xa bekusenziwa i-auction into yoba hayi abantu bayazama uyigalela imali for abantwana batye, bazowudlala bekhululekile, bazowukhula. Siyabafundisa, siyabaxelela apha into yoba asijonganga into yoba niphelele apha kwisport qha, sijonge nibona aba bantu bebelapha bangoonobhizinesi, nibe neminqweno into yoba after cricket nathi sizawuba sendaweni sibe nezinto.
Siyabulela kakhulu mama, uwatye wonke amazi, siyabulela kakhulu. And also we hope that njengabazali you continue supporting and also you continue showing interest to izakhono zabantwana, because abantwana abaninzi don't have to be shown ezo zinto back home. So having you as a community, a member of the community, having to uba uthi bana mna ndizazigqatsa and also I'm going to support the skills zabantwana, siyabulela kakhulu.
Asikwazi nobabaleka ngoba uPhytomet uzinikezele ngale cricket club. Inkosi.
Molo bhuti wam, sicela nje usichazele uba ubhuti ngubani and also isikhundla sakho siyintoni apha ku-United Brothers.
Inkosi masiswa, igama nguLutho, wayebulela uZathu. Good. Uduka lamahlathi. Ndingu-chairman we-United Brothers Cricket Club.
Masike sive ke ngoku uUnited Brothers usinvitile apha having a fundraising, but they came with a different strategy of drawing us or attracting us ngegolf. Masike sithethe in terms of what was the main initiative and also what brought elo candelo or that idea of bringing the golf into cricket.
Enkosi umbuzo man. I think lo mbuzo multifaceted, and I think the answer yami is multifaceted. You know, it's always fair and well ucela into kumuntu ne baba akunike something, but you always want ukuthi nomuntu okunika something abe ne return on investment yakhe, you know. So we wanted something which is going to bring value to people who are actually trying to bring value to us. So golf is a perfect sport to do that because it allows opportunity for networking for abantu abasupportayo, and also allows for us to be introduced to a new crowd, to a new market. So it's a perfect opportunity for 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 both parties to be mutually beneficial. Yeah, but we don't want to go to, yeah, even at Kamalet United Brothers. We can only be united song. So golf is a perfect way you go to bafumane return on investment, nathi sifumane support, wonke umuntu azuze manditsho.
Lovely stuff. As much as we know that you guys were doing a fundraising namhlanje, but you're also doing a launch for United Brothers Cricket Club. Let us get to talk about the selection yabafana in Chooser to go and represent you outside.
You know, club yethu, we are lucky to have talent esinayo, yabo. So we wanted ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibe ne-opportunity ukuthi ne-players zethu zesibone ukuthi sizivaluisha kanjani kwazona, to launch them kwi-situation enjena, kwinto ene-prestige. Kuze, you know what, kunzima for umntana avuke ekuseni ahamba yodlala i-cricket engayazi uba uxabisekile. This was an opportunity nathi ukuthi sithini sibonise ii-players bazixabisekile, abantu babajongile, abantu babasupportile, not thina siyi-club sodwa but the business community, but Nelson Mandela Bay as a community kwayona. So this was a nice opportunity for us to thina silaunche i-club, silaunche i-players zethu ezintsha, to also show the new players what the club is about and what the community is about. So this was a perfect opportunity for that.
Lovely stuff, Putwam. And also we know that Nyenzi launch now, and also you guys are geared up. What is more coming from United Brothers in terms of cricket? And also we do know that Ningabantu who tend to take your very own cricket players, Nimbafake, to national teams, to teams as Pezulu. So what is the next step for United Brothers?
Steps on car, so win the league. we are winners. Sifuna win. We don't want to just come and make numbers. We want to compete. We want to dominate. We want to win as much as we can, because that's gonna build a club. Izothetela ngokwayo loo nto leyo. But going forward, sifuna ukuthi intoni, sifuna sustainability, sifuna growth club. Now I'm just chairman for now. A year later, 2 years later, I'm not going to be around, but the club will always be there, hoping. So ngifuna ithathe i-club le ndawo ikuyo siyi-executive, siyi-club song, siyithathe siyibeke kwenye indawo for abalandelayo bayithathe nabo bayibeke. Nezivile i-veterans zethu zayithatha nayo endaweni ethile, i-club zayibeka endaweni ethile. We are the custodians now. Siyithathe nathi siyibeke indawo engcono for ii-players zethu na for abantwana babo nabantwana bethu.
Siyabulela kakhulu Bhuti ngokuthi join enkqubeni, and also we hope that United Brothers grows beyond Ibai, grows outside Eastern Cape, and also grows even outside of South Africa. Siyabulela kakhulu.
Inkosi kakhulu sisoma.
Guys, Azishe ezemidlalo. Today ngilapha Fairview Sports Arena with Ulwazi Sawula for Keep Active Development. As guys, you understand that Azishe, it's not only in the Eastern Cape. We are sitting now with a guy who have been all over football yake. Ulwazi, welcome into Azishe. We've seen men have been doing izinto for Keep Active Development. Recently, you went to Denmark, finished good knockouts. Iqala njani Lwazi le way yakho to continue and giving back to the community and also abantwana abadlala esport?
I think when I linge iqale after kuphele my football career.
Yeah.
Which is I was playing in Denmark. So I came back to the country. I'm like, instead of and feeling sorry ukuthi career yam khange ide iyotsho kule ndawo bendifuna kuyo, let me try and give back and use my contacts,
Yeah.
So since as umuntu ke that odlala ixesha elide eDenmark, so it's one of the the reason and you know what, let me go kwiDana Cup, at least I'm familiar with Denmark.
Yeah.
So iqale olo hlobo.
Then obviously I think now I believe we're gonna be going for the 4th year next year, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, next
obviously we have learned those needs, the visa, we have learned those needs, how to organize the trips and airport and everything. What is capable that you need, that you think that we need to, you guys and keep active, you need to improve, or you need to emphasis for you?
I think talking about le nto uthi I've learned kwiinto ezininzi.
Yeah.
And somewhere
Yeah,
somehow,
obviously.
somewhere somehow, I even think ukuthi I'm a travel agent because
Yeah.
when it comes to visa applications, I'm the one who's doing the visa application. We don't sit here, I see we have a traveler, send yazi yongeni.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for now, I think Wenalinga is that but next year it's going to be our fourth time. So I think the only thing that we need is just that we just need to push more harder so that we know ukuthi where can we open the doors. I mean, where can we find apho abantu bangasivulela amacango.
Yes.
Remember, going and play overseas, it's a lot of time, it's a lot of money that is involved. So we also don't want to waste imali just to go. Although it's not a waste of money because experience for us boys, it's a lifetime opportunity ezakwazi ukuthi ngomso ngomsomnye nam ndandikhe ndayodlala an international tournament. So for now I'm pushing ukuthi, since of course sikudala sisiya to network nelenduka ne-teams ezikwala cala, so that at least xa sisiya we know ukuthi ba ziyakwazi ujonga iiteam zethu. Uyabo, ziyakwazi ujonga iteam yethu although usipha for the same tournament.
Okay.
Because sometimes sijonge ilenduka scouts, whereby scouts maybe they are not there yet. Uyabo, because remember scouts azifiki kwi-group stages.
Yeah.
Sifika mhlawumbi kula top 8, which is this year.
Yeah.
Siphume kwi-top 8.
Okay.
That was a huge improvement as sisuke South Africa, and then so reach top 8 in international tournament.
Yes.
So once you out, maybe bafika kula top 8 scouts. But now the best thing to do is to let's network as we coach nje buhleli up. Uyabo, coach waphi lo handi coach wase Sweden, the coach ohlobo nohlobo. Do you have a senior team? Do you have a development? I think that's the only angle ngoku ekufuneka ingene ngayo.
And also whenever you're talking about scouting, obviously these boys ziyadlala ii-games zazo, and when they are playing these games, you speak of Iceland for the first year now, here next year for the first year. Ingeba ikhona any one of the two players that bike khona interest from the international clubs.
Ibikhona, I think that was the first year. That was the first year. Why in the situation? Because we were knocked out of the tournament. But the money call, or I think it was an email from Dana Cup, besithi ba kukho team yase Canada that they want to play a friendly with us. They already, because you can't just play a friendly, so you need to pay, because kaloku kufuneke bathini babhatala referee babo namabala. So xa sendibuza ikhona i-auditwa nguFrank, which is obvious nathi as organizer ke for oncedisa i-foreign teams zalapha eLenkeni, foreign teams. So ndabuza kuFrank what it's all about. What I think the team ibone one or two boys so they just want to double check. So I don't know what happened after that.
Like guys, it's as issues whereby sikhupha yonke information. Recently there was a story other team, any province, whereby the players were being stuck somewhere. The trust of the parents, when they give you abantwana, you go with them to win tournament, not only in South Africa, overseas. How is your relationship with abazali of the players for you, in order for your trip be successful?
You see, Mchana, you know, it trust, it must be earned. And being a coach, or it's a gift. It starts from there, but you're not just being a coach anyway. When you go with a coach, you are also a parent. You're a parent, but you also need to be a friend to these boys. You're not just, I am not a coach, ndiphelele up. Funeka uyazi ungutata, ungumama, uyichomi, so that nabo bantwana bebe comfortable. Once the boys are comfortable, for sure, when the boy gets home, uzawuthetha ba coach nje, and the parents, they ask, and they do a background check. So everywhere you can go, you can go. If you ask the boys, they will tell you. Even if I'm shouting at that moment because I know what you're capable of. So when you talk about the trust, hey, it's difficult. It's worse, as you said, but sidlala phi akuthiwa sidlala apha Cape Town or local. It's an international. And internationally, that's a huge.
Yeah. And Lwazibona, guys, as Shoguni, obviously, you're going for the 4th year Dana Cup. As a coach, development yakho, facing the international coaches. So far, imagine the level of coaching yakho.
You know, that's a good question. That's a good question. You know, Mchanam, like I'm not phased about who you are, what
Yeah.
qualifications do you have. You can have your UEFA license,
Okay.
or I'm not phased. I'm not taking away of
There are
that.
those bananas.
For
Yes,
those
yes.
that are, I'm talking about ngam. You can have, but with the Lenduka, the Lenduka, the football brain that I have,
Okay.
I'm definitely sure I'll give you a good run for your money. So yes, most of the coaches that I've played against, they are UEFA Lenduka qualified coaches. But Nandi Kukef,
Yeah.
Muslim as they can.
I've seen who keep active not only now in NMB. I've seen Kenan on Sea, Triumphtown, Uwa, if I'm not mistaken. Now recently I just saw Joburg.
You know, it's part of growth, Lingam Chanam. It's part of growth, yeah, but because people they are no bunotini, no bahleli B, no bathethi.
Yeah.
Bayabona what we're doing. Ukuthi say Lamachita, they are doing good at Keep Active. So some people they want to, of course, to associate with Keep Active. They want to work with Keep Active. And also not only for them, even us, it's good for the brand.
Yeah.
Because that means we are growing.
Okay.
Because we've got Ilenduka now recently, Ilenduka, Joburg, trials at Joburg. There are other ones that we're working on at Northwest.
Wow.
There's also other ones in Bloemfontein, but they just need to confirm. So we're just waiting for a confirmation. We just Lenduka Sinogole no Lenduka no Luyanda Pap New Year's Cup.
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Grahamstown,
Grahamstown, Makanda. Again, Joburg, Usipho Nzuzu, Rodmaniamu. I've been working with him again. So it's all about building Lenduka when Rodman build a brand, which is we're growing. We're growing, Papa.
If I can't answer the question, I've missed the mark because it's as long as it goes, yeah, sure. You understand that the level of Africa, your football, not as in Eastern Cape, comparing these under 18 boys with the international. And we Jonga, Simenda one.
I'll talk from my experience.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll talk from my experience, and I assume now Buzalapa. You know, we've got a talent team.
Okay.
So we've got the talent. Them they're hard workers.
Yeah.
So remember, sometimes somehow, Tina, we become lazy.
Okay.
So but better.
Okay.
Yes, with the facilities and everything, we are way behind.
Okay.
They are sort of development. They've got top facilities, but when it comes to facilities, top notch in Europe. But when it comes to football, there's no much gap.
Okay.
But if Tina, we can be disciplined and work hard. That's the only thing. We've got a talent because look, that's a good example.
Yeah.
We were 14, Tina, when we played this Lenduka
Tournament, yes.
tournament. We were 14. I have 11 in the 14 gam anyway. So I have 13 players. I've traveled 13 players.
Yeah.
So 11.
Can you please briefly elaborate why it was only 13 players?
It's because some of the boys they didn't have funds. They didn't have funds. We've knocked everywhere, man. We've knocked but icon. But you know, it's part of the journey.
Yeah.
It's part of the. I don't want a journey that is very easy.
Okay.
I want a journey when I look back and be like, yo, I've worked hard. So that's why we were 13. But look, we were 13.
But
I had cousin Una 15. He turned 16. Pa.
Wow.
I had Ulenduka. There's other boy from Kenton on Sim. Now he been a 16.
Wow.
So those are the boys that they kalanga punch. These other boys, they were playing each and every game.
Wow.
So the back four was always there.
Lwazi.
You understand?
Azishe,
So
Lazivela
it's
Lwazi.
very
So
challenging.
Lwazi, obviously, next time we see a corner, next year we see a corner. A top 4 finish.
Brother, I'm going for the finals this time. I mean, like, I know what went wrong. I know the challenges because I'm telling you, if we're the big squad, because remember they are rolling subs.
Wow.
They are rolling sub. We're a team from Nigeria. They had 25 players. So second half, they will take 8 out and put another 8. So there's another fresh legs. They won the tournament, by the way.
Yeah, supposedly.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
My players, we had to buy Ilenduki recovery drinks. We have to buy energy drinks so that when they go and play, at least they can be able to compete.
Coach Lwazi, thanks for your time, man.
Akuntwana yami,
Appreciate it, man.
ngosumfowethu.
Guys, Azishe zemidlalo ke with Linge Gcwabe nani yazivela from Coach Lwazi abe nazo challenges when it comes to the funding of the players because ye overseas Denmark was not easy. Zemidlalo guys, Azishe. Guys, it's Azishe. As you understand that Keep Active is development for Zongi age groups. So today I've got Zach next to me. Zach, how old are you?
8.
How do you feel to participate on Keep Active development?
Very nice.
Which position do you play?
I play middle.
Midfielder? Or attacking or defensive?
Defensive.
Who motivates you to play football?
My coach.
Your coach? Who's your coach?
Lazi.
Saula? It's Lazi.
Lazi.
And what's your dream of playing for? Why do you want to play football?
Because my dad plays it and I want to be just like my dad.
Wow, who's your dad?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. Oh, he also played.
Yeah.
Obviously, in the world, which player do you love the most?
Mo Salah.
Mo Salah. Oh, he plays for which team? Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Okay, all the best for your career, eh? What's a message for the young boys who are playing football?
All that young boys never give up in soccer.
All the best, Zach. Enjoy your training session.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Sure, high five. Sharp. Guys, Azishe. Yes, niyazi zemidlalo guys. So now next to me, I'm with Usoso. Back khona last year in Denmark. So it's like we didn't fit to go njani phayana as ngokusitsho nawo bana hey afana kabathi now.
Phana i-competition yaphana ayifani yangapha nelibonileyo and phana kudlalwa kakhulu bedlala ngokusimisela and nathi besikoyika ngoba sihlala phana singazimisela
Ntoni boni?
kube badala kunathi
Okay.
nabo and bade thina sibafutshane
Yeah.
so ke ibhola wasixelela ucoach uba ibhola singayigcini kakhulu ezinyaweni zethu
Okay.
kube bade bazasigila masivesike siyenze simbolo trap and pass.
Yeah. So intoni efileyo wena xa uthe wadlala phayana?
Into endiyifundileyo experience yaphana.
Okay.
Phana kuyahlonitshwana and kuyadlalwa and phana respect khona. Itournament yapha itournament enkulu.
Okay.
And abantu apha bayaphuma. Into endifuna uyitsho kumnandi pha.
Yeah, ekumnandi yeah. So next year xa usiya again yona ufuna uachieve ii-goals zakho as ungumdlali.
Next year I think mna ngokukwam kwaba bayayo next year andiboni mna ndiyayo next year kwaba bayayo next year ndifuna babuye nayo le nto
Yeah, yeah.
because thina sisajika kwi-quarter finals
Yeah.
and ndicela bona bazame all the best kubo.
Oye nkosi kakhulu ndiyabulela guys. Guys, zemidlalo Azishe as Shileko now bring you the players actually lucky enough. Kassim, he was there this year, Ghana Cup. He will tell us more about his experience. Kassim, as he just told me FA now, how was experience playing in Ghana Cup?
Yeah, it was amazing. Went there, high expectations, but I also thought, hey, those guys there, they're gonna be good. They're gonna be good.
Yeah.
They were good. Got to know a bit of the guys better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went there, ate a lot, enjoyed myself,
Yeah.
and yeah, it was difficult there. Yo, those guys they're good, they're big, physical, but at least I tried my best. We tried our best. Got to the quarters.
Yeah.
Unlucky to not go through to the semis, but I really enjoyed it.
And last time I've done an interview with him, guys, he said to me, you score goals.
I did score a goal in the shootout. I didn't manage to score goals, but I did score a goal.
Yeah.
Got close on one occasion.
Okay.
Gave me a free kick, told me hit with power. I didn't, and
Why?
I don't know what went through my mind.
Yeah.
But it was fun.
Yeah. Obviously, you've got a machine, you've got dreams. When you participate in this tournament like Ghana Cup, you've got your personal dreams, personal goals. What are those goals that you wish to achieve in the future?
To go there again and maybe to perform a bit better than I did last time.
Okay.
To score obviously more and to help the team get further in the tournament. I would like to make it pro one day.
Okay.
But obviously it's gonna be difficult. The road there, it's difficult. And
When you say you want to make pro, what do you think is important that a person or a player can make pro? What do you need to do?
passion.
Okay.
You have to believe in yourself. Obviously, believe in God.
Okay.
And just have discipline every day. Try to do better every day and to show up every day.
All the best.
Thank you.
Guys, as Niyaz and keep active. It's more about development, Chabantwana. But next to me, I'm being joined by Kawe. Kawe, what it means to train at Keep Active Development?
Obviously, I'm very proud to train here. And yeah, the players here are very talented, you know, and yeah.
And working with Coach Lwazi at Keep Active Development, what have so far have you learned?
I've learned how to keep my composure during, you know, tight spaces.
Yeah.
I've learned my ball control. Yeah, it's been very helpful so far.
Yeah, obviously, whenever you are learning this, keeping up the composure, that means you're playing a striker. Which position do you play?
I play as a left wing coach.
Left wing there. Who do you look up to when playing left wing professionally?
Oh, Rafael Leao, coach.
Oh, okay, so we like you.
Yeah, I like him.
Yeah. Obviously, what's your personal goals?
My personal goals. Is probably to make first team for VP next year if I can.
Okay. All the best, brother Nef. Enjoy. Sharp, thanks, man. Sure. As the players Lala Ibola guys keep active. Some players, not all of them, but now opportunity to go at Denmark and play the tournament. Some are not that fortunate to play or to afford with the tournaments and also to do EVs and everything. Next to me, Dime with Nati. Nati, after some to make money to go Denmark. The feeling over now, how was it?
Ngava kabuhlungu mbutho. Kodwa ndava kabuhlungu kodwa ndazama ukwenza i-funds mara zaziphumelele zona.
Yeah.
Nabazali ekhaya banayo imali so zangikwazi ukwenza ijim elo hlobo.
Yeah, and also gave that you know that now ufuna to improve kuyo in order for you to play the tournament in Ngolo all hlobo.
I want sponsors khona abantu abakwenza-sponsors ngizokwazi nami uyo-experience ile ibhola yangapha eDenmark.
Yeah. And obviously uyadlala mosibhola ngeyiphi into that ekucingayo that funeke kuwe improvile as a player.
Improve kuyo to score because I'm a strike.
Okay.
To score many goals and for the team to win many trophies and leagues maybe.
Yeah, ngeyiphi onayo umyalezo to the players ezifana nawe they couldn't afford ukuya phayana. Ngeyiphi onayo umyalezo for them?
Umyalezo wami kuwona Machita. Cela niqhubekeke nidlale nani. Mhlawumbe nani nizolifumanela ithuba. Mhlawumbe nifumane ibone ngazinye sponsors then zinithathe nani eDenmark.
Inkosi Boyindabela kakhulu man, all the best man for your fans. Guys, Nizvela from Monache City man. Yes naye befukalela uya khona eDenmark. But true indaba yefan and true kangakwazi having a sponsor for yena akwazi afezekise elakhe iphupho ezemidlalo guys asisho.